Alright, Spruce Knob, 12 miles up this kind of a small road coming off 33. Gotta keep your eye out for it a little bit. Pretty nice scenery out here. Went over a real pretty river. Hilly out here, nice country. So I'm gonna make my way up this road and see what's at the end of it. Well, I made it to the end of the road up here at Spruce Knob, highest point of West Virginia. It's pretty country. Kind of a gray day. It's actually kind of cold. It's July 2nd, but it's kind of like in the low 70s out here. No sun doesn't help, so I had to put on the extra layer here just to kind of warm up. I had shorts and a t-shirt on. That wasn't adequate. Pretty drive. Looks like there's some things to explore around here. A little different kind of rock out here. Like some serious stone. A little different terrain in some of the Appalachian. Different kind of stone and trees. Surroundings look similar, very hilly country. Lots of ravines and rivers. Passed some nice rivers on the way up here. I think Judy Gap was the town I turned at. Real nice river down there. Be nice to explore. Yeah, here's the end of Spruce Knob. Kind of a funny top, isn't it? They do have a platform up there. Again, not a very prominent peak. Kind of in the woods, you know. Doesn't really stick up very high. I think you can also come up this trail, Whispering Spruce. Can't really see anything on the way I came up. I only came up a very short walk from the parking lot. There's another way down. Yeah, I can go up here to the tower. Maybe we'll get some views up here. Nice out here though. Alright, here's the tower on top of Spruce Knob. Kinda need this tower up here to see above the trees. It's supposed to be Spruce Knob Lake around here. I might check that out. Campsite there, but also fishing. I never saw it on the way up. Can't see a whole lot from up here, but no one here. Did pass a couple people on the trail there. Yeah, a lot of peaks out there. I wish I could zoom in. Anyway, that's the top of old West Virginia, Spruce Knob. Pretty place.